Yo, YouTube. It's been a minute, long ass minute without Snow White. We in a new V now. Obviously, y'all know that from the video I dropped a while ago with Snow White's last drive and shit like that. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. Today ain't nothing special. Just was bored as fuck, and I'm getting ready to go to work, and I'm gonna be going to work a little early. So I'm gonna have about like 40 to almost 50 minutes sitting out here in this hot ass heat. So why not make a video? So right now I'm at the gas station. I'm about to go in here and grab me something to drink and grab me a rap song. I'll grab them when I get off of work and shit like that. It's me again, brother Lee. What do I want to grab? I don't know, bro. I had a box list. I just came for a great one. Let's grab vanilla. Vanilla. Can't go wrong without the high cheese, brother. Got my drink, high cheese, and my blunt wrapping up. My little baggy wagon and shit. Alright. We got our shit, bro. Let's make our way to this job, park up so we can get to talking and shit. Yeah, we made it to work, boys. Safe and fucking sound. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? So about to spark this fucking blunt up and shit like that. You get me? My shit kept shutting off. What the fuck is this? My shit kept shutting off randomly for some unknown reason, and I didn't know what the fuck it was. I asked TikTok and all that good shit. Everybody's like, censor this, censor that, alternator, blah, 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 blah. Dumbed it down to it being the camshaft sensor or the crankshaft sensor. So I replaced the camshaft sensor yesterday along with the front brakes and rotors. If the car happens to not shut off and shit like that, and we'll be good to go, I'll move forward with everything else. But I am doing the rear brakes and rotors next paycheck too as well. After that, like I said, if the car doesn't shut off and shit like that, then I'm gonna go to Mako and get the driver's side fender replaced and shit like that. I told him I didn't want to paint it and shit like that. So things that I did since I had the car, all I did was drop a performance AIRBOX filter in here by STP. That was pretty much it. I chrome deleted like half the car, which is like the back chrome piece on the trunk. The panel on the trunk I made black to make it look like it's a P71. And then on the passenger side, the whole door trim is fully blacked out with the blackout tape. I just didn't get time to do the driver's side because, you know, gas is fucking expensive, car insurance, bills, all that extra shit, and this fucking economy is fucking crazy. So that's pretty much that. But once I take care of all that shit, all that maintenance shit, aiming to get the exhaust on here. I've been doing some research with some rims as well. If I find some rims, I'm gonna get some rims to throw on this motherfucker too as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it for real. Hold on, let me spark this bit. I got this car for 700 smackaroonies. 2003 Ford Crown Victoria. Had a new transmission, oil, and all that shit looked pretty good. Oil is about to get changed soon. I'm at 133,000 miles. I changed it at 136 and shit, so oil change soon. Rear brakes and rotors, and then tune up, and then after that, we can pretty much rock out and start doing shit to the car. Oh yeah, and Fender Repair as well. I'm trying to upload a video for the longest. I recorded a work day video a couple days ago, but it didn't look right. Like the whole camera thing was weird, and the whole ratio was weird when I went to go edit it, and it didn't look right, and I was getting weird ass angles. So I'm like, bro, I always keep doing work day videos. Fuck that. I'm gonna just do something else when I can. Woke up at like 8 something in the morning, bro. Couldn't go back to sleep, so I went outside and fixed my tail light. Not my tail light, my side marker light, because my side marker light fell out again. The bolt keeps coming, the nut keeps coming loose on the driver's side because it's all bent up over here. So like for vibrations and bumps and shit, and knocked that nut loose. And I'm like, yo, let me fix this shit so I don't gotta worry about it before I go to work. It's gonna get pain in the ass. So I fixed that. I know it's not nothing, I know it's not a lot, but I hope you guys and shit, you know, enjoy the little video and shit. I'm gonna have more videos like particularly about the car, you know, going around the car more, showing you everything around the vehicle and shit like that. But if you guys want to see like little pictures and shit of the car, so you guys can follow me on TikTok at 4.6 Nazi. I also started an Instagram account for the car too as well. That's 4.6 Nazi as well. And you know, if you guys just to keep up with everything, to know when I'm getting ready to post and all that good shit. I'll keep you guys updated or whatever if anything changes, shit like that. But yeah, I'm gonna start recording and shit like that when I do stuff to the car too, so I can start bringing you guys along for the journey. I don't want to wait and do shit and then start recording about it and there's nothing to record, nothing or no journey to, you know, to follow, because I start doing everything to it without recording. So that's pretty much it. Again, I know it wasn't too much. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you boys and girls in the next video.